I'm PamOnSunset. Today we're testing last minute Valentine's Day decor. Get excited! Tomorrow is Valentine's Day! Not my favorite holiday, but I do stuff because I love Alex. Are you stressing out because you invited people over and now you have no decor? So I thought I would find a DIY Valentine's Day decor that seemed like it was easy to see if it actually was and test it out for you guys. Today's blog inspiration is Sandy Toast and Popsicles, and it is a conversation heart banner. It's so cute. So you guys know what those conversation hearts are. It's like the little hard hearts that you get on Valentine's Day. That have like a little, like, kiss me, be mine. That's what we're making. For today's tutorial, you need scissors, ribbon, a hole puncher, and the template hearts from the blog. I will put a link down below. So the first step that you did, I already did. You print out the hearts on different paper. I think it would probably be best if you use cardstock, but I just had printer paper and we'll see how it goes. Next step is to cut out all the hearts. I tried to pick hearts that I liked what they said. But you could also just, if you wanted to have your own sayings, print out your own. I think I can do this a little bit better. This is like a kindergartner cut this. Oh, I made it worse. Cool. Now it looks like a 3-year-old cut it. Of course I had to do this one this year. This could even be cute like in your locker, or if you wanted to make like a smaller version, or for your dorm room. Or if you're having a party, you need a little love. You need somebody to hug. I've cut all my hearts out. The next step that you did was to hole punch each side of the heart. I feel like if you don't do it in the exact same spot, it's gonna hang weird. Okay, so I did all of these ones based off of where the second line was. These ones don't have a second line. What do I do? Maybe I should have done that from the beginning. The next step that she did was to take her ribbon and to tie it into little bows, connecting these together. Then she tied 2 ribbons on the end, but then she also said you should leave some extra so that you can hang it up. I don't know how this is gonna work. It's not in it. Make sure it doesn't fall apart. Whoop! Oh my gosh, it's so cute! Aww. It's making me want candy. Here's the real deal on this DIY. Tip number 1. When you're hole punching, I would pile all the hearts up on top of each other so that way the holes all line up. I realized that when I was almost done. Tip number 2. I would also measure out all the strings ahead of time. I think that the bows that look a little bit better are the ones where the string is a little bit longer. Tip number 3. Okay, in the pictures on the blog, you can't see how it's hanging up. And I think that's because it doesn't hang up very easily. I actually ended up having to put tape, painter's tape on the sides so that it would hang properly. But I think if you really cared about how it looked, you could get some command hooks and then put the hooks where you needed them to be. Overall, I think this is worth it! I already had all the materials to make this, so it was very cheap for me, and it only took me like an hour, so it's a really good last-minute DIY decor idea. I hope you guys have an awesome Valentine's Day. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Also, if you're new here, make sure you come back every Tuesday and Thursday. We post new videos here around 8 a.m. Pacific time, so make sure you come back. Did you like this video? Could you give it a thumbs up, please? I gotta go eat some candy because Valentine's Day's tomorrow.